Huawei is back in the spotlight once again, and this time it's about the highly anticipated Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. As rumors heat up and leaks begin to surface, one thing is clear. Huawei is preparing something sleek, powerful, and photography-focused, but without sacrificing design. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Pura 80 Ultra, especially its revolutionary ultra-thin camera structure that might just redefine smartphone photography without the bulk. Now, you might expect that with camera tech getting better, smartphones would keep getting thicker, but Huawei seems to be going in the opposite direction with the Pura 80 Ultra. According to well-known Weibo tipster Huawei Smart Pikachu, the upcoming device will feature a completely redesigned ultra-thin camera system. It's not just a minor tweak. This is a big leap that combines Huawei's signature aesthetics with new camera engineering. So what's changing exactly? Let's start with the primary lens. The Pura 80 Ultra is expected to include a super sleek embedded primary camera module, which sits much more flush with the back panel compared to older designs. This change is aimed at keeping the phone thin and elegant, a clear win for users who don't like bulky camera bumps. And that's not all. The Pura 80 Ultra might also introduce a new CMOS multifocal length telephoto shooter. This advanced camera offers an extended zoom range, which means users will get sharp, vibrant, and crystal clear images whether they're snapping something up close or zooming in from afar. Earlier leaks also hinted at Huawei testing a multifocal length periscope system for this series. If true, this will provide a much wider range of zoom levels, making the phone versatile for all types of photography, from portrait shots to distant landscapes. As for the main sensor, Huawei is rumored to be using a self-developed 1-inch primary sensor for the Pura 80 Ultra. A sensor of this size usually means excellent light capture and richer image quality. Combine that with Huawei's software optimization and AI enhancements, and we could be looking at one of the best camera phones of the year. But despite all this high-end camera tech, the biggest win is that Huawei is not making the phone thicker or bulkier. They're working to integrate these powerful sensors into an ultra-thin architecture, something that most brands struggle to do. Now, there was a bit of confusion earlier. Some leaked images showed a Pura 80 Ultra prototype with a triangular camera module that appeared bulkier than expected. That sparked some concern among fans who were hoping for a sleeker design. But the latest reports now suggest that the final version of the phone will be much thinner than the early prototypes. Interestingly, a senior Huawei executive was recently spotted holding what many believe is the Pura 80 Ultra. From the pictures, the phone looks very similar to its predecessor, but what caught everyone's eye was the triangular camera bump, which might be a placeholder or an early version of the new ultra-thin camera housing. Either way, one thing is for sure: Huawei is prioritizing elegance and function at the same time. And that's not easy to do, especially when trying to fit in top-tier camera sensors. The entire Pura 80 series has been gaining a lot of attention recently. Even though Huawei has confirmed a launch sometime next month, they haven't yet revealed the exact release date. But the buzz online, from leaked images to insider tips, shows that consumers are already very excited. Huawei has a history of pushing boundaries in smartphone photography, and with the Pura 80 Ultra, they might just do it again. This time by making powerful cameras look and feel seamless. So to wrap it up, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is shaping up to be a camera powerhouse wrapped in a slim, premium design. With a new self-developed 1-inch sensor, multifocal length telephoto camera, and a sleek ultra-thin structure, it's clear that Huawei is working hard to deliver top-tier performance without making the device look like a bulky gadget. We're only a few weeks away from the official unveiling, and the leaks are only getting more interesting. So if you're a fan of smartphone photography or just love beautiful phone designs, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Stay tuned. More Huawei updates are on the way.